Let's talk about a very common surgery in large animal which is called C-section, but I don't prefer to say C-section because it's not an incision which is C-type or C-line as it is in humans, because in animals you give I-line incision and according to me it should be called I-section. So in animal you gave I-line incision on right or left flank to recover baby and or fetus from the mother womb. So before going to C-section, you should put a consideration on DC blood, which recommend that more than 15 minutes of force manipulation, a manipulation of force shouldn't be exercised on animal because it brings only failure in C-section or exertion in animal. So you can say if you are going towards C-section, then you should follow the DC blood that after doing 15 minutes of force manipulation, you should go towards C-section, I-section. So let's attach a I-section video with this, and I hope it will be informative for you. A C-section, cesarean for buffalo, is an emergency surgery for difficult births like dystocia, often due to uterine issue or fetal abnormalities. Performed by a veterinarian, starting using local anesthesia or sedation to alleviate the pain of that typical site. The typical site may be right flank or left flank based upon the gravid horn, which you test upon rectal palpation. With steps including site preparation, removing of hair, uterine incisions, fetus removal, and careful post-operative cares, which include fluids, antibiotics, and NSAIDs, to ensure high survival rates for mother and good fertility. Indications for buffalo C-section: dystocia, which is also called difficult birth, when vaginal delivery is impossible or too risky; uterine torsion, twisting of uterus that can't be corrected manually; fetal abnormalities, delivery of large or malformed or monster fetuses; and fourth, fetal maternal disproportion, when baby is too large to pass. So let's talk about procedure overview. First of all, you all have to do is restrain and anesthesia. Buffaloes are usually sedated and restrained in left lateral recumbency side lying. Local anesthesia like lignocaine and nerve blocks are common. Surgical sites: common incision sites are the flank, left paramedian, or oblique ventrolateral approach. Uterine management: the uterus is brought out, the fetus removed, and antibiotics may be placed inside before suturing. Suturing and closure: the uterus muscles layer and skin are carefully closed. Now talk about post-operative care and how much it is crucial. First of all, you have to do fluid therapy to combat with the dehydration. Then you have to do antibiotics like broad spectrum antibiotics to prevent the infection or pus. Then anti-inflammatory drugs, which usually called NSAIDs or SAIDs, to manage the pain and inflammation. And then multivitamins, supplements to combat with the blood loss. Key to success is early intervention. Performing the C-section early before the mother is exhausted or severely compromised significantly improves survival and future fertility. If you need a C-section for your buffalo, contact us for C-section and full recovery